Good evening, Mami Harris. This is my topic for the sexual self. Sexuality, the way people experiences and express themselves, sexual being. Central aspect of being human throughout life encompasses sex, gender, identities, and role, sexual orientation, eroticism, pleasure, intimacy, and reproduction. It is experienced and expressed in thoughts, fantasies, desires, beliefs, attitudes, values, behaviors, practices, roles, and relationships. Pag sinabing sexuality naman, kumbaga dito ina-express nila kung paano sila na kung ano yung nararamdaman nila, kung ano yung nafe-feel nilang pleasure, kung anong mood, beliefs, attitude. Kumbaga nagre-reflect ang sexuality sa kanilang ugali. At dito, nalalaman natin sa sexuality kung ano ang kanilang gender. Halimbawa, kung sila ay male, female, bisex, homo, doon pumapasok ang mga sexuality. At dito, admitting ignorance on the topic of sexuality in the Philippine culture seems to be taboo or degrading. Kumbaga sa sexuality sa mga Pinoy ay dito parang dinidiscriminate, parang sobrang baba ng tingin ng sexuality sa atin. At ang ignorance has to be addressed through proper education na dapat ang sexuality daw ay na ituturo ng maayos at hindi ito ginagawang biro. Sex education is not to promote sexual intercourse, but to promote good sexual health and safety from sexual violence. Kumbaga, pag sinabing sex education, hindi naman porket tinuro na sexual education, dito ay i-abuse na nila. Kumbaga, tinuturo ng sexual education na dapat mong malaman ang tamang sa mga sex. Kumbaga, dito mo din mababalanse yung attitude, pleasures, at yung mood mo sa sexuality, sa sex education. Withholding information about sex and sexuality will not keep children safe. It will keep them ignorant. Kaya ang sinasabi dito, sinasabi nila na hindi nga daw to safe sa mga bata at magiging ignorante ito sa kanila dahil na mafe-feel nila yung pleasure na nagagawa nila sa tuwing sila ay may sexual desires. Ang sex refers to a person's characterization as a female or male at birth, typically based on the appearance of external genitalia or other biological characteristics, including chromosomes. Pag sinabing sex, dito malalaman mo kung ano yung pinaka-gender ng isang tao. Kung halimbawa, male, meron siyang lawet. Female, meron siyang vagina. At kumbaga, dito natin malalaman yung kanilang biological characteristics bukod sa chromosomes. Gender naman ay refers to a social characteristics that may be or not be aligned with a person's sex and adopted by an individual as their gender identity. Dito sa gender, matutukoy natin kung yun nga, male or female. Kumbaga hindi sila na-align sa person's sex, kundi sa kanilang gender identity. Gender identity refers how you feel inside and how you express your gender through clothing, behavior, and personal appearance regardless of your assigned sex. Pag sinabing gender identity, dito mo malalaman ng isang tao kung siya ay bading, tomboy, straight, or homo. Pag dito sa gender identity, yun ang kanilang basan sa mga clothing, behavior, sa mga personal appearances nila. Pag sinabi namang cisgender, identify with their sex assigned at birth. Kung ano yung nakalagay sa mga birth certificate nila, yun ang nagpapatunay na sila ay male or female. Transgender, people whose gender identity do not coincide with their sex. Pag sinabing transgender naman, sila yung lalaki nagpapa-convert sa babae at babae na nagpapa-convert sa lalaki sa pagpapalit ng kanilang are. Transgender is different from a transsexual. A transsexual is one who transitions from one sex to another through undergoing several surgical procedures. Some transgender people change their appearance body, name, or legal gender marker to convey and affirm their internal experience of gender. Pag sinabi namang sexual orientation, it pertains to the gender you're sexually attracted to and want to have relationships with sexual orientations including gay, lesbian, straight, bisexual, and asexual. Kumbaga sa sexual orientation, dito mo malalaman kung ako ba ay na-attract sa babae, na-attract sa lalaki, at dito ma-include natin yung mga gays, lesbian, straight, bisexual, and asexual. Below are some types of sexual orientation. Heterosexual or the straight, attracted to people of the opposite sex. Pag heterosexual, straight siya. Never siyang nagkagusto sa ibang gender. Halimbawa, lalaki, babae. Kumbaga, sa babae lang siya nagkakagusto. Bisexual is attracted to people of either sex. Kumbaga, dito, nagre-refer yung sila or yung yung pinaka-attractiveness nila sa lalaki at babae. Homosexual is the gay or lesbian, attracted to people of one own sex. Pag sinabing homosexual, dito na nagre-reflect yung mga Becky na nagkakagusto sa lalaki at babae na nagkakagusto sa babae. Pansexual is attracted to people of any gender identity. Para siyang katulad ng heterosexual. Pero, may part lang na maaari siyang magkagusto sa opposite sex. Asexual is not sexually attracted to other people. Asexual naman ay hindi siya na-attract sa kahit anong tao. A triangular theory of love ni Robert Sternberg. Intimacy, feeling of closeness, connectedness, and bondness. Passion is feelings and desires that lead to physical attraction, romance, and sexual fulfillment. Decision, commitment, feelings that lead a person to remain with some and move toward shared goals. Sa triangular love of theory, ang intimacy, yung sa closeness, yung doon nila malalaman na na-attract sila dahil sila'y close. Kumbaga, konektado sila sa isa't isa. Ang passion naman ay yung sa physical na attraction niya. Kung paano niya nagustuhan yung lalaki, yung babae, ganon. Decision or commitment ay dito sila nagpa-finalize kung ayun lang ba talaga ang kanilang gusto. At sila ay nagsishare ng same goals or kumbaga tawagin na same vibes. At yun lang po ang aking report. Thank you po.